Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of it. And select Gallery section at the bottom. Now just tap on your photos that you wish to add. And when you finish, hit this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!